YuanJing Automation Equipment Limited Company was established in 2006. The company's production base is located in Linjiang Industrial Park, Daewang National High-Tech Zone, Zhaoqing City, Guangdong Province. The headquarters of the R&D office building is located in Foshan Changcheng Smart City. The company covers an area of 28 acres, with a standard office building of more than 1,500 square meters, a production plant of 5,000 square meters, and more than 70 employees. In 2011, the YuanJing trademark was registered with the State Administration for Industry and Commerce. The company has been recognized as a high-tech enterprise, excellent enterprise for technological innovation, and Guangdong Stainless Steel Integrity Management Demonstration Creation Enterprise. The company's main products have successfully passed the national ISO 9001 and 3C certifications, and have independently developed rolling mill thyristor dynamic filter reactive compensation system, cold rolling unit electrical drive control system, egg hydraulic and control system, strip continuous pickling annealing production line electrical drive control system, continuous rolling unit electrical drive control system, high-speed rolling mill electrical drive control system, and dozens of other technical patents. The company always adheres to the business tenet of people-oriented, honesty and quality, providing customers with products of superior quality and reasonable price, and providing high quality and fast after-sales tracking services. The company's products are widely used in metallurgy, electric power, environmental protection, ports and docks, papermaking, building materials, pharmaceuticals, municipal engineering, and national defense and military industries. Providing customers with professional and high-quality dynamic reactive power compensation and harmonic control devices, stainless steel, plain carbon steel, copper, aluminum rolling mill electric control transmission and AG control system, continuous pickling annealing furnace electric control transmission system and PLC control system, electrical transmission control system, PLC intelligent control system, and other automation control technologies and services.